Hey everybody, James Yeager. Thank you for watching another video. So I'm preparing to go to the Ukraine, and as I film this, we are planning, as soon as I get my plan 100% together, I'm going to do another video and ask you guys if you don't mind helping paying for 3 plane tickets and a used car. That's my phone, not yours. We're planning on flying into Poland, buying a car, and then driving across. I have another alumni there that is doing training, and he's giving me information on how to get this done. Thank you to him, and I would like to go there and help him. And so I'm packing, and when I started thinking about preparedness and stuff, I started thinking about, well, rechargeable lights. Resupply might be hard, so I'm going to take some Stereo 123s, but I know that I'll have the ability, hopefully from a generator or a car, to charge rechargeable lights. So these two are going with me for sure. The M5 from Accu-Tac is a small little powerful light for whatever use. Nice carry light for my gear, looking for stuff. It's great, fantastic. And then the Huntsman XLT, I'm going to see if John Willis to get me a pouch vest. He probably makes one for it, but super bright, like searchlight. I won't shine it directly at the camera, but even still pointed about 45 degrees away from the camera, still blinds it. Great light. So they're supporting me in this. I appreciate those guys. I like those guys. And so the code underneath for PowerTech this week, Monday through Friday, the code that's below will be worth 40% off. But enough of that. So I'm packing my gear. I'm going through my stuff, and I had a list for my contractor book from Baghdad. So it was the desert there and very hot. I'm going into 20 and 30 degree weather in the Ukraine, so taking out the desert stuff and putting in the cold weather stuff. But also, it's been 18 years. It's hard for me to think about that. 18 years, almost to the day that I went to Iraq the first time, and so long. Anyway, so I'm going through my gear, and I put everything I want to take out, and then I start going, no. I usually go, I call that my tactical triage. I usually do that 3 times, and I want to reduce it to 2 big loadout bags. And and the thing is, like, I don't know how long I'm going to be there. It could be very short, or it could be months, or whatever the case may be. But I really want to get over there and help some folks. My primary mission is to go over there and train people. I think that's what I'm good at and what I should be doing. So I'd like to help train some of the fine people of the Ukraine. And I don't have a death wish at all, but if I die, I die. Okay. But I think I have one good humanitarian mission in me. I think this is it. I want to do it. And so I'm not going over there to end my story. I'm going over there to have another chapter of my story. And so again, as soon as we get squared away, I don't think he'd mind if I say, if I bleep this out, that means I asked him and he minded, but but the last American outlaw is going with me, and another gentleman that will remain nameless is going with us. So right now there's 3 of us, and we're planning on flying out, planning if we can put everything together this next weekend. Saturday or Sunday, probably Sunday. I don't know, but that's what we're looking at. So, that's what's up. So I might do another video in the next day or 2 saying, hey, throw in a few bucks. I'll probably do it through PayPal because I don't want to give GoFundMe 30%, But what I will tell you right now is that the videos that I do over there will not be on my public YouTube. They will be members only and Liberty TV premium members only. So one of the ways you can support us is by joining the channel, but 99 cents ain't gonna cut it. but I'll do a donation. If you guys can think of a better way for you to donate money, let me know. I don't know how those apps work, but I have to be careful because if a bunch of money comes into any of them, they'll think it's fraud and shut it down. So I have to be careful. You can always mail a check. But packing gear, after I get my gear sorted out, I'll do another video for the members only about the gear I'm actually taking. And I'll do another one when I get there, the gear I actually use. But there will be tons of video content on this, and so hopefully it'll work out and everybody will enjoy it. But anyway, I'm rambling now. Thank you for watching always, and remember, your responsibility to be ready to fight communism never ends.